Nagre-record ako.
Wala!
Anong pangalan mo, tropa?
Maika po.
Ha?
Maika po.
Maika? Si Kuya Bong.
Just my toys. The three of them. Greenie, Iron Man, and Great Racer.
Bong, baka may natin ako dyan, ha?
There's Jesse, Buzz, who's this? Woody. Alego. Sino sa harap?
May natin, ha? Wala ka.
This is Bullseye.
Sinisipa niya, kala ko lang.
And here's my friend wearing Transformers shirt.
Isang box na, isang bakit sa akin.
He owns the others that I said. Three toys are mine. That is Iron Man, Greenie, and Great Racer over there. And here comes the friend.
Gulat ako eh.
Hi.
Ow!
Oh yeah, by the way,
What's happened?
I'm in the other place. I completely forgot this place, but I was from Cavite to this place. Ano nga lugar nga to, Yule? We don't know this place.
Yeah.
Ouch. Hey, your Christmas decoration.
That's it. Alam mo paano ko nalaman tong kulong niya?
Hmm?
Alam mo kung paano ko nalaman yung kulong niya?
Nakuha kayo.
Nakuha mo yung bracelet ko.
Sa dulo pa, hawak mo yung stick eh. Oh.
What time is it? Wala, sana tulog yung mami.
Meron sandali sa sapatos.
Sorry guys, I was eating. Oh, what's that?
So, ginawa niya drum.
Hold my camera. Hey, don't cover the camera.
Yung lata na alkan.
And this is Dekdek's mother. And this is my mother. And
Kinuha ko. Pag ginawakan ko yung
two of them are playing.
Sabi niya, kinuha niya.
And this is the CR.
I'm a gaming boy. Remember that.
Okay. This is a CR. CR. Okay, let's go here. This is the electric fan.
Double deck bedroom bed.
And double deck bedrooms. And this is Dekdek's car.
That's not my car. That's my daughter's car.
Okay, Dekdek's.
Godfather.